In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Supabase Edge Functions in Lovable. We'll walk through each step so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Supabase Edge Functions into your Lovable projects. So, sit back, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, and let's get started. The first step is to head over to Lovable. If you're not familiar with it yet, Lovable is a fantastic tool for developers, offering a versatile environment to build and manage your projects. You can simply navigate to the website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, you'll want to select the project that you wish to work with. Within your Lovable dashboard, you'll see a list of your existing projects. Click on the one that you want to integrate with Supabase. This will open up your project, displaying its unique settings and configurations. Now comes the part where we connect your project to Supabase. This will allow your Lovable project to communicate with Supabase's backend services. Ensure that your Supabase instance is set up and running. You may need your Supabase credentials handy as you work through this connection. Once you've successfully established that connection, it's time to create a new project within Lovable. This might seem a bit redundant, but creating a new structured project is crucial when integrating external services. Click on the Create New Project option in Lovable and follow the prompts to set it up. This will ensure that everything is fresh and ready for the new functionalities you're about to add. The next thing we need to do is copy the project URL. This URL is essential as it serves as the identifier for where your project resides on the web. You'll find this URL in the project settings section. Be sure to save it somewhere accessible as you'll need it in subsequent steps. Afterward, we're going to create an edge function. This is where the magic starts. Supabase Edge Functions allow you to run serverless functions close to your users, enhancing performance and scalability. In your Supabase dashboard, navigate to the Edge Functions section and create a new function following the on-screen prompts. Give it a name that makes sense in the context of what you're building. Once your function is set up, it's time to get the function URL. Each edge function comes with its own URL. This is crucial because you will use this URL to trigger the function from your Lovable project. In your Supabase dashboard, locate the URL for the newly created edge function and copy it. With that URL in hand, we're ready to call the function in Lovable. Head back to your Lovable project settings where you can input external URLs. Paste the URL you copied into the appropriate field and save your changes. Finally, let's add some environment variables in Lovable. These allow you to store sensitive information and configuration details securely. In the environment variables section, input any variables your edge function may require. This could be anything from API keys to database identifiers, and there you have it. You've successfully integrated Supabase Edge Functions into your Lovable project. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.